turn the sound off in a bit. There's also a departure going out. Well, we've got another one going out, so we'll be the next one to line up. What plane is this? This is a 321 Neo, Marcus. 321 Neo, mate. And this is the one I went on to Madrid. We're going to intersect. No, we're not. I thought we were going to intersect, but we're not. I don't really want to do intersect. We have to do it when we turn autopilot off and go out intersect. Wait on, guys, it might be another departure, so we're all good. But at least it'll be our turn next. Yeah, look, see it? That's us there. There's another one up in front of it, so it's going out first.
Minimize UI panel.
Guys, it's ready to wait to be out there filming.
Close.
Wait.
Button.
I want to get my soggy ass dirty.
Tower GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy and runway 09 right ready for departure IFR to Munich. GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy hold short runway 09 right. Traffic is generic on the runway.
Cockpit.
Swiss tree 27 altimeter 29.
And then we'll turn on the strobes.
Cleared for takeoff runway 09 right. Short runway 09 right, GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy.
Taxi lights. Taxi. Please light.
Cleared for takeoff runway 09 right, Swiss tree 27.
Close.
No, we're not, unfortunately. This aircraft stays. We might do it. We will do the return flight, the 21 Neo, guys.
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy line up and wait. Line up and wait, GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy.
You ready for this, guys? Where's this going? We're going to Munich. That's what ATC just said. Munich. I think that's another arrival, just touched down. Not sure if I can read that. Oh, good. Right. Turn on the wing lights, yeah, because obviously during takeoff you can do it in the dark.
Good day.
This is 09 right, folks. By the way, we're lining up on. So obviously, if I switched wrong.
I can imagine, Jason. Not being there, man. I can imagine. It's no worries, I'm good. Just so much to get ready for takeoff now. Max Jet, good luck with your takeoff. I just got Windows 11 now. Man, stick with Windows 10 for now.
Right, here we go. Sign up, shut my mouth. Enjoy. It's 321
GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy altimeter 29er decimal 62 and 120 at 9er. Cleared for takeoff runway 09er right. Cleared for takeoff runway 09er right, GTTNM Bravo Alpha 682 Heavy.
No, hang on, I will in a bit, girl. British Airways. 777. We've seen that many times now. And rotate. So, What do we think of the 321 Neo? Someone's saying it's bad, someone's saying it's ugly. Oh, don't fly the 321 Neo. It's a scam. Oh shit, I don't like it. It's not really bad, guys. I love the wing flex. Obviously saying it's worse. Obviously the gates are... Is that Heathrow in real life? It is. It's in Premium Deluxe. So you have to buy the Premium Deluxe to get... Also, you have to buy the 321 Neo as well. This is crosswind, guys, because obviously we're hitting bad weather at the moment, so we'll be all right once we're in the air anyway. It's just like RFF. What's that? What is that doing over there? That's at the hangar or somewhere. It is, isn't it? Where we are flying to? We are off to Munich. Hey, Jeff. We're off to Munich, mate, because, look, see the engines and that? I love them when they glow at night, I have to say. How long is the flight? I don't know, it's about 50 minutes? But we'll be all right, guys. We'll be all right. We'll be all good so far. We're probably going to, if it does the same, we'll automatically land it. Don't you obviously worry about that at the moment. Am I going out from 09 left? No, I'm not. I'm not going out from 09 left. I am going out from 09 right. That's Brentford. Oh, look, yeah, guys, look. See bad weather? Oh, hello, yeah, I just realised there's a stadium. That's Twickenham, I think. Is that Twickenham? That is, isn't it? I didn't know we were over at Twickenham. They were all flyby, yeah. Right. There we go. Off to Munich we go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the takeoff on this 321 Neo. Sadly, you know, it is what it is. And hopefully there's no more kids going out for Halloween, which is all good. I don't believe there is. Look, guys. Look at this. Look at this. This is beautiful when it's bad weather, guys. Look at that. Look at the weather's absolutely mank right now here in London. And the weather's getting awful. It is indeed. It is indeed. What's the... I don't know. It's obviously, you know, it's the pilot's job, so do give him a rest for that. Folks, enjoyed the takeoff. I love the glow. Look, it's really cool. Listen, thanks very much, guys. Really appreciate your company, and I'll see you all in just under an hour. Oh, staying at Munich, okay. Folks, look after yourselves. I'll see you all tomorrow for the flight to Singapore. See you later.